Dakshasaran, updated, June 20, 2018 16:24 IST. Summers and mangoes are synonymous to each other. Mangoes are an indispensable part of summers. They can be enjoyed as a whole or in different forms. One such form of mango that is loved by people of all age groups is aamas, which is flavored and sweetened mango pulp, traditionally paired with piping hot puris. This divine blend of Alfonso mangoes is thick and flavorful. It is the perfect mango delight to binge on in hot and sultry summers. You can savor it as breakfast or also in the form of a dessert. The joy of gulping down an entire bowl of aamas after a satisfying meal is above all. If you wish to make aamas in the comforts of your kitchen, then here's an easy-peasy recipe for the same. Read on the steps and experiment with your culinary skills. Also read Is eating mangoes healthy? Tips to make perfect aamas. 1. While preparing this delight, make sure that the mangoes you have chosen are firm in texture and sweet in flavor. Alfonso is usually sweet and is considered the perfect pick for aamas recipe. If you've sweet ripe mangoes in hand, you can easily skip putting sugar in this dessert. 2. In order to get the right consistency, ensure that you have blended the pulp evenly and no lumps remain. A smooth pulp-like consistency can be only attained when the mixture is blended for a while. 3. Aamas is best enjoyed when served chilled. The combination of hot puris with chilled aamas is loved by kids and adults alike. Don't forget to refrigerate the aamas after it has been nicely blended. How to make aamas at home. Ingredients for aamas: cardamom powder, 1/4 tsp saffron, a pinch mangoes, Alfonso, 1 to 2 ripe and sweet milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons, optional powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon. Optional steps for making aamas. In order to make aamas, first you need to wash and peel the mangoes. Once this is done, cut them into bite-sized chunks and transfer them in a blender. Add cardamom powder in the blender and blend the two ingredients till a smooth pulp-like consistency is attained. If the mangoes are not very sweet, you can add 1 tablespoon powdered sugar to enhance its sweetness. Blend again. If you feel that the pulp is not smooth, then to thin down the consistence, you may add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk in it. Blend it again after adding the milk. Now, pour the pulp in a container and keep it in the refrigerator. Chill it for at least half an hour. Once it is done, pour the pulp in serving bowls and garnish with a pinch of saffron. Serve the delight with piping hot and crisp puris and impress your family and friends with your culinary skills. Note, aamas is best enjoyed when chilled and thick in consistency. So, go ahead and make this aamas recipe to make the most of the summer season.